Millions of toilet bowls are used every day around the world. But few people have ever seen how they're actually made. From giant molds to extreme heat, every step is critical, creating a durable toilet bowl. What begins as a mixture of clay, minerals, and water must pass through a remarkable manufacturing process. The journey begins with the raw materials.
Every toilet bowl begins its journey as raw clay and minerals extracted from the earth. These natural materials are carefully collected and transported for processing.
The process begins with male African-American workers digging clay directly from the ground using simple hand tools.
Hold it right there. Stop. All right, keep it coming. Straighten it out.
Every stage of production is closely monitored from a central control room. Once delivered to the factory, the raw materials are crushed, refined, and carefully prepared to remove impurities and ensure consistent quality.
The mixing process is carefully observed to ensure the correct material consistency.
The consistency looks good. We can reduce the flow now. Roger that, reducing intake.
The refined materials are blended with water inside massive mixing systems, creating a smooth ceramic slurry that forms the foundation of every toilet bowl.
Go ahead and close the valve a quarter turn. Got it. Levels are stable.
The clay is mixed with water and carefully kneaded until it reaches the right consistency for shaping.
Before production can begin, specialized molds are prepared to ensure every toilet bowl is formed with precision and consistency.
Skilled craftsmen begin shaping the clay into the recognizable form of a toilet bowl.
The viscosity levels are fluctuating at injection point 3. Reroute the batch and check the sensor calibration immediately. The liquid ceramic mixture is poured into molds, where the familiar shape of a toilet bowl slowly begins to emerge. After molding, the newly formed toilet bowls must dry slowly to remove excess moisture and prevent cracking.
Protective coating is applied to prepare the surface for firing.
A protective ceramic glaze is applied to create the smooth, glossy surface that gives toilet bowls their finished appearance. Each piece is carefully smoothed and refined to create clean edges and a uniform appearance. The toilet bowls are fired at high temperatures, transforming fragile clay into durable ceramic. The glazed products enter massive kilns, where extreme temperatures permanently harden the ceramic and create exceptional durability.
Every toilet bowl undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure it meets strict quality standards before leaving the factory.
Okay, put the foam in. Done. Next one ready.
What started as ordinary clay has now become a finished toilet bowl, ready for use.
There is a hairline fracture right here.
Yes, I see it under the glaze.
We have to pull this one from the line.
Once approved, the finished products are carefully packaged to protect them during transportation.
Leaks. From raw clay buried deep in the earth to a finished product ready for installation, this remarkable transformation